Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making chicken pizzas on naan bread. So we've preheated the oven to 400 degrees. We've lightly greased our baking sheets with either spray or just a little bit of oil, and you can rub it in with a paper towel. And we've placed our naan bread on our baking sheets here and they're ready to go. We just want to drizzle the tops with just a touch of oil. This will just kind of help them to brown up a little bit more. And here we have all of our toppings. We have salsa that we're going to use as our sauce. We have some chicken, some corn, some black beans, some cilantro, and some cheese. So what we're going to do is take some of our sauce. I'll put a spoonful on each one and then we'll go back and spread it out. Okay. When you're adding the sauce to these, you can add as little or as much as you'd like. Really just depends on your personal preference. You can see a little goes a long way. All right, and I'm leaving some room on the edges. Now, next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna kind of layer our toppings a little bit. I'm gonna put down some of our corn. And really, at this point, any order that you wanna go is gonna be just fine. I like to kind of build up your flavors. Use some of our beans and some of our cooked chicken. Sprinkle some of our cheese. This way the cheese will kind of melt over some of your toppings. All right, just gonna add just a little bit of our cilantro now. Can add some more fresh when they come out of the oven. All right, we're just gonna season these now with a little bit of salt. And fresh cracked black pepper. All right, we're gonna pop these into the oven basically just until your cheese melts and really starts to ooze out over the top of your naan bread, and the edges of your bread just get a little bit brown. Should be good to go at that point. So probably no more than 5-10 minutes tops on these. All right, we're ready to check our pizzas. All right, they're looking good, so I think they're ready to pull out. All right, looking good. So we will cut these up into wedges, plate them up, and show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.